Hi, once again. Good morning to all of you, and good afternoon or good evening on whatever time you are watching this. So, this time I have made or I will be going to make this recording in order for us to continue to our next topic under the basic in Excel, which is fill. Okay, so this will be a short video, and I hope you can follow everything that I'm going to teach you in here. Okay, so let's proceed. I'm going to share to you my Excel again. So this is also in continuation with what we have done last time, of which we had discussed, and I taught you about the copy paste, sort, and the filter. Okay, so this time we're going to discuss about fill. Okay, so this can be found on page 75. Okay, so the fill function allows you to fill up range of values with a series of numbers or dates. This can save you a lot of time, especially when entering sequential data in large worksheet. Okay? So, for example, by the way, under the fill, we will be going to discuss these three things under fill, which is fill series. The second one is select and drag. And yung pangatlo is yung fill command. Okay? So, for example, you are being tasked sa, halimbawa, nag-work ka na sa accounting or kahit sa front desk soon sa hotel. And then, you are tasked to make a report. And yung report nyo, mayroong dapat gagawa ka ng series. And yung series na yun is series of date. Or for example, hindi date, number series na may mga pagitan-pagitan, or kailangan mong i-copy-paste ang the same number. So, it will be very helpful for you to save time. Hindi na yung isa-isahin mo pa siyang i-encode. Okay? So, I have here the following steps that we are going to follow. Okay? So, i-open nyo yung fill na page dito sa baba, or fill na book. Okay? And then, let's go and follow the different steps under fill series. Okay? So, number 1, let's create a column with a sequential number. Let's start with in B5 and type 1. So, this is the cell B5. As what I have told you before, ang tawag dito is cell. And this cell is located from column B, row 5. So, ang tawag sa kanya, cell B5. So, nag-start tayo sa cell B5. Ngayon, I have already a sample in which I had typed 1. Okay? So, ngayon, as an example, we want to have a series of 1 to 10. Click the cell that contains number 1 and drag the handle 10 series downwards. Okay? So, anong sabi niya? I-click natin ang cell na mayroong number 1 and then i-drag natin ang handle or i-drag nyo yung mga mouse nyo into 10 cells downwards. So, ang pang 10 cells dito natin is yung pang 14, row 14. So, B14, ito yung pang 10th cell natin. Pero, itong B5 yung idadrag natin pababa. Okay? So, i-drag down natin siya pababa hanggang cell 14. Okay. So, ano lumabas? It's all number 1. Pero, what is being asked is gagawa tayo ng series 1 to 10. Okay? So, the next step that you're going to do is this. On the side of the highlighted cells is the autofill option. This one, this is the autofill option. When click, it will show an option panel. Click mo yung option panel. And then click the option Fill Series. Okay, that's it. So that is the fill series. Okay, very simple. Okay, next. Dito naman tayo sa letter B, which is select and drag. Another way is by typing the pattern in the first two cells. So, dito, gumawa ako ng pattern. So, 5, 10. So, ang ibig sabihin dito sa pattern, mayroong another 5 na numbers na pagitan sa bawat number na isusulat ko. So, 5, 10. What is the next number? It is supposed to be 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and so on and so forth. So, ngayon, ang command sa atin, or ang first step is, we have to type the pattern in first two cells. Okay, so dito, C5 and C6. So, tinype ko na ang ating pattern, which is 5 to 10. And then, the same pa rin ang gagawin natin. I-highlight natin itong dalawang. Highlight the two cells and move the mouse pointer over the cell until the pointer changes the black to black cross symbol. Click and drag downward. Okay? So, ang sabi niya, i-highlight. Tapos, punta ka dito sa square sa gilid. Make sure black cross ang lalabas. Kasi pag dito ka, white cross. So, dito ka sa black cross. And then you drag it downward. Let's see if what happens. Okay, very good. So, this is the pattern already. There is a difference of 5 each number. Okay, may difference. So, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Okay? So, that is select and drag. And lastly, letter C is the fill command. So, in fill command naman, you can also use the fill command. This time, instead of numbers, let's try months. Okay? On D5, type the month January. Okay, so I already typed January here. So, highlight the 10 cells downwards. Okay. So, i-highlight natin ang 10 cells downwards. Highlight natin sila. Okay. And then, next, on the menu above, look for fill command located on the upper right. So, this is the fill command. Okay. Do not forget this symbol. That is the fill command. Sa baba siya ng summation na symbol. Ito. And then you go to the drop-down menu. Okay. Okay. So, dyan sa drop-down menu, you click the series. Okay. And another window appeared. This time, we are going to click auto fill. Okay. Linear columns. Oh, it's already auto fill. Okay? And then, pagkatapos niyan, you just have to click OK. And then, oh no. Okay. So, this time, let's proceed to fill commands. So, you can also use the fill command. So, the fill command can be found here. Okay? So, look at this symbol. This is the fill command. Okay? So, this time, instead of numbers, let's try months. On D5, type the month January. So, I have already typed here January, and let's highlight 10 cells downward. So, including January, i-highlight natin 10 cells downward. Next is on the menu above, look for fill command. Ito yung sinabi ko kanina. This is the fill command. And then, ano sabi niya? Let's click this word or this option series. So, when we click the option series, may mag-a-appear naman na window. And sa window na to, hanapin natin or i-check natin ang autofill. Okay? So, wala dito ang word na autofill this time. Okay, and dito siya under the type. So, we're going to click autofill. Okay? And then after clicking autofill, then click OK. Let's see what happened. Yes! Okay? So, it automatically filled the series. Okay? So, very simple, and that is all about fill. Okay? So, that's all for today. Thank you, and God bless. Keep safe.